Yeah, 2023 was a big year for Searchbug. A ton of new improvements. We've put a lot of time and effort into listening to our customers, understanding, the problems that they're facing and then trying to address those. So just to mention a few, say the biggest change or improvement was our implementation of Braintree, which is a completely sort of state-of-the-art payment processing platform, which enables us not only to have, added levels of security, but also ease of use. We offer now multiple different payment methods, not only credit card, but PayPal, Venmo, Google Pay. We just implemented ACH. And Apple Pay is something that we're also researching. The process for Apple Pay is extensive, but we're working on that as well. On top of that, we implemented new APIs. We improved on existing APIs. Property API was implemented and is available now, offers all kinds of comprehensive property data, very reasonable cost. We had our SSN and name match, which was a pretty significant change. That was an existing API we've always offered. Now we offer it with last four of a social security number only. So if you're doing verifications with customers, people generally don't feel comfortable giving you their entire SSN. However, giving the last four, people are much more accustomed to that and more comfortable with that. So we've made that change to the SSN and name match API, which is huge and was requested by customers. So it really addresses a challenge that we were asked to help solve.